Well, I just finished this. This is for my mom's ashes. This is mom's urn, and it's taken me 3 months to finish it. That's the front of it. As you can see, it's got her name, and it's all made out of scrap wood except for the top, which is I bought those wooden dowels. Here's one side of it. As you can see, the top. Here's the other side of it. And now we're going to go and open up the lid. This is the inside of it. It's taken me 3 months to do this, but now I finally got it done. And I'm working on another one, a plaque, so I can put it on Greg's stone. So leave me your comments and stuff and let me know what you think of it. Thank you very much.